Hi, I'm Tim Quinn, celebrity face designer for Giorgio Armani Beauty, and I'm here today to share with you some backstage secrets. Now what I'd like to talk about is the dress code for face. These are amazing products, some of my favorites actually in Giorgio Armani Beauty, that really demonstrate the microfill technology to give you the ability to contour, to highlight, to blend, to layer. Now I'm going to apply the Lasting Silk UV foundation. I like to work with a pump onto your hand, and then using your sable foundation brush, you're going to slowly work the color into the brush and start from the center of the face and in small feathering strokes blend out. And you see how it just melts to the skin. And this is where the microfill technology really comes in, and that you can start with a very small amount and layer the color until you get the coverage you desire. Now I'd like to talk to you about the fluid shears. We're going to start with the Giorgio Armani Fluid Shear number 10. I like to work with this, pump it into your hand. We'll use the sable brush, and you're going to swirl the color into the brush. And then working from the temples, apply this in the shape of a 3. So the temples along the hairline, slightly under the cheekbone, and then along the jawline. So this will add a little extra dimension to your face, yet still give you that luminous, glowing, subtle finish. Now I'm going to work with the Fluid Shear 11, which is this wonderful rose gold. And with this, I'm going to use a blush brush, so it's slightly smaller than a powder brush. Same idea, roll it into the brush, and you want to apply it just to the apples of the cheeks and kind of flick it. It goes on sheer because of that microfill technology. And this is wonderful if you want to layer as well. If you're going all day, you could put this on, put a little dusting of powder, and then follow with the traditional powder blush number 10. And finally, to add a subtle highlight and an optical lift, we're going to use the Fluid Shear 7. I like to use a large shader brush. Again, blend, and then you want to use this at the highest point of the brow, and then right along the top of the cheekbone. So this adds a nice lift to the face.